Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Grady-White 235 Freedom. The hull color is sea glass green. This boat is powered by a Yamaha digital throttle shift 300 4-stroke. Ski pylon here on the back of the transom. This does have the blue LED lights and storage inside the transom as well. Battery switch conveniently located the walkthrough. Here on the starboard side, this is going to come with a Yeti cooler, also a sink, and a storage area for your utensils. Here on the transom, you'll see the flip-up seat easily in place. Over here on the port side, this is an electric seat that extends out. Very large seat for your companion. Here in the head area, you'll have a very spacious head area, plenty of storage. You have a mirror and some more storage shelves. USB plugs, Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. Also, there's a 12-volt plug here too on the back. Over here on the starboard side at the helm, you'll see the upgraded helm chair, flip-up armrest, tilt wheel steering, an additional remote control to control the stereo, Bennett trim tabs with indicator, your digital Yamaha gauge that will act as a backup GPS. And now, up top, you'll see color-matched sea glass green, storage net for all your life jackets, LED lighting recessed in the hardtop. As we come forward, you'll see a very spacious storage area, tackle storage for your light fishermen, a complete bow block-off door. Up here in the bow, you'll see wraparound seating, low-profile grab rail, and this boat also does have a windlass anchor. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 235 Freedom. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.